wholeheartedly, I trust Oceania Plumbing. I've worked in property management for 21 years and I've dealt with a lot of trades for investment properties, and I think finding a tradesman that you align with that has the same values and appreciates that a property is someone's home and that it holds value to someone, and it's not about just going in there to do a quick job and have it done. Relying on Joe and his team, when they go to a job, everything's done to 100% perfect, and that makes a big difference in Joe compared to some of the other local plumbers we've used in the past.